Hello, class. Today we have our lesson number 4. We're going to talk about the space. Here we have some vocabulary about different things that you can find in the space station, for example, or different things that astronauts do. Let's listen to the vocabulary, then practice.
Page 70. Lesson 4. In space. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Space shuttle,
2,
space station,
3,
spacesuit,
4,
Earth,
Now you can practice. Number 1, space shuttle. Number 2, space station. Number 3, space suit. Number 4, Earth. In this lesson, we're gonna have this grammar, the use of have to and don't have to. There is a big difference in the use of these two grammar forms. For example, have to is for obligation, when something is necessary to do. Yes, for example, listen. Astronauts have to take the space shuttle to get to the space station. This is an obligation for them, okay? Have to is for obligation because something will happen, something negative happened if you don't follow this rule. Don't have to. You use don't have to when something is not necessary to do. For example, astronauts don't have to wear a space suit in the space station. That means that they can do it if they want, but if they don't do it, nothing will happen. So that means that it's not necessary. Remember, have to, it's necessary. You're obligated to do it. Don't have to, it's not necessary. Now let's listen.
Page 70. C. Listen and say. Then listen and read.
astronauts have to take the space shuttle to get to the space station. Astronauts don't have to wear a spacesuit in the space station.
Do you want to visit space? Some astronauts go to space to work and live in space stations. They can live in the space station for months. 1,
Astronauts have to take the space shuttle to get to the space station. Shuttles are very fast and noisy.
2,
Astronauts have to wear big white spacesuits when they are outside the space station.
3,
Astronauts don't have to be scientists, but this woman is. She's studying weight in space. When she is in space, she is very light.
4,
This astronaut is making a movie. Astronauts have to leave the space station. They have to come home to Earth. They want to see their families.
Okay, now in this reading you have some informations about astronauts and how they live. Notice that we use have to and don't have to, okay? Don't forget that have to is for necessary things. It's a very necessary situation. And don't have to, it's used for non-necessary situations. Okay? That's all. See you.